Exam Tricks 99 YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Now we are going to discuss about current affairs for bank, SSC, RRB, UPSC and other competitive exams. In this video help on each and everyone for studying covering current affairs. Yes. Let's begin the question and answers. Who among the following has released the inaugural issue of the National Police K9 Journal in New Delhi? The National Police K9 Journal in New Delhi, Amit Shah. Who among the following has been appointed as chairman of All India Gem and Jewellery Domestic Council? Asit Pathak. All India Gem and Jewellery Domestic Council, Asit Pathak. Hasmir Kaur Batal has resigned as Union Minister of Food Processing Industry, who has been given the additional charge of the ministry. Narendra Singh Tomar. The Titan Literary Peace Prize is presented by which country? Literary Peace Prize is presented by which country? United States. Who is the winner of the 2020 Women's Italian Open Tennis Tournament? 2020 Women's Italian Open Tennis Tournament, Simona Halep. Women's. The Union Ministry has unveiled the logo and song for Festival Destination Northeast 2020. The emerging delightful destinations through the video conference. Jitendra Singh. Name the Indian Coast Guard. Indian Coast Guard vessels which was recently commissioned at Kolkata. Kannakalta Barura. Union Minister of Tribal Affairs has launched the Tribal Entrepreneurship Development Program. Who is the Union Minister of Tribal Affairs? Union Minister of Tribal Affairs, Arjun Munda. And which day? The International Day of Non-Violence is being observed every year. 2nd October. Name the state tourism dependent who baked the prestigious Pacific Asia Travel Associations. PATA. Pacific Asia Travel Associations Grand Title Winner 2020 for Marketing Kerala. PM Modi has recently launched the phase 2 of the Rubik card in which of these countries? Bhutan. Rubik card, Bhutan. Name the Union Minister who recently released. Yeah, My Stamp and Saju Puja. Ravi Shankar Prasad. My Stamp. Ravi Shankar Prasad. The United Nations observed International Day for Tolerance on every year. 60th November. India recently testified Kursa missile system of the Odisha coast. What does Q represent? Kursam. QRSAM. Q means quick. In 2020, India is observing which editions of the National Organ Donation Day? 11th. What is the theme of World Diabetes Day 2020? World Diabetes Day 2020 theme. World Diabetes theme. The nurse and diabetes. Who among the following is the chairman of the International Financial Service Centers Authority. Financial Service Centers Authority. Injeti Srinivas. What is the theme of 2020 World Day of Remembrance of Road Traffic Victim? Remembrance of Road Traffic Victim. First responder. World Road Traffic. First responders. Exercise Malabar 2020, in which edition of the annual exercise? The exercise Malabar 2020, in which edition of the annual exercise? 24th. Which day is observed as the World Pyramid Day annually? Which day is observed as the World Pyramid Day annually? 12th November. The Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, has announced Dash as the title sponsor of the 2020 edition of the Women's T20 Challenge. Jio. Who has launched a national portal for transgender persons. Davarjand Haglund. Named the winner of the Pandit Deenadayal Upadhyaya Telecom Skill Excellence Award. Pandit Deenadayal Upadhyaya Telecom Skill Excellence Award. Srinivas Karanam. Asian Development Bank ADB has signed a $231 million loan with the government of India to augment electricity generation capacity in the state of electricity generations capacity in the state of Assam. Asian Development Bank Assam. $231 million. Dr. Harshvardhan has been elected as the board member of the Global Alliance of Vaccines and Immunizations of the Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunizations, GAVI. Where is headquarters of GAVI located? Global Alliance of Vaccines and Immunizations, Geneva, Switzerland. Indian Army has recently inked USD 20 million deal with the Idea Forge to buy which of this UAVs switch. Which state has launched the Maksa Kalak Sejona 2020? Rajasthan. Maksa Kalak Sejona 2020 Rajasthan. PM Modi recently addressed the Virtual Fit India Dialogue, which is organized to commemorate the Dash anniversary of Fit India movement. The first anniversary of Fit India movement. Dharani, a web portal for land and property registrations was launched in which state? Telangana. India first solar-based integrated multi-village water supply project has been launched in which state? India first solar-based integrated multi-village water supply project, Arunachal Pradesh. Where is the second World Health Expo was inaugurated? China. Digital evaluation scorecard developed by Tufts University's Fletcher School in partnership with Digital Evaluation Scorecard developed by Tufts University Fletcher School in partnership with Mastercard. Digital Evaluation Mastercard. The fourth edition of the Cherry Blossom Festival was virtually inaugurated in was virtually inaugurated in Cherry Blossom Festival, Manipur. When is the National Hindi Day is celebrated in India? National Hindi Day is celebrated in India September 14. Which activity is the newest to be officially declared as the Olympic sports and is slated to debut in 2024. Paris Games. New Paris Games. Break dancing. The world's first satellite-based narrow-band Internet of Thinking. Narrow-band Internet of Thinking NB-IoT service has been launched by which company? BSNL. Devendra Fadnavis has released a book Ayodhya written by Madhav Bandari. Devendra Fadnavis has released a book Ayodhya written by Madhav Bandari. The Indian cotton has been given a brand name by the Government of India and the occasion of World Cotton Day. What is the brand name of the product? Cotton. In which cotton? Kasturi cotton. Who has won the 1920 AIFF Men's Football of the Year? AIFF Men's Footballer of the Year, Supreet Singh Sandhu. AIFF Men's Footballer of the Year, Supreet Singh Sandhu. Who wrote the book O Mizoram? O Mizoram, a collection of English poems on Mizoram. P.S. Sridharan Pillai. What was the proportion of Chitra Kosh? The niece of Nehru Subhash Chandra Bose, who passed recently. Chitra Kosh. Agamadian. Chitra Kosh proportions. Academian. Who has won the 2019-20 AIFF Men's Footballer of the Year? AIFF Men's Footballer of the Year, Supreet Singh Sandhu. The men's footballer of the year. Repeat questions. These questions repeat questions. International Translation Day is annually 30 September. The Archaeological Survey of India Hampi Mini Circle N has been converted into full-field circle. Karnataka has been converted into the full-field circle. Union Minister of Tribal Affairs has launched the Tribal Entrepreneurship Development Program. Who is the Union Minister of Tribal Affairs? Arjun Munda. Indian American Karamya Verma was recently appointed as dash in US. Digital Director in Office of the First Lady. Digital Director of Office of First Lady. Indian Army has recently inked $20 million deal with the Idea Forge to buy which the US switch to buy which of this week. ICICI bad tie-up preferred code MSME Neo. Which with Pitnak, the ICICI bank tie-up to issue preferred code to MSME Neo. Who is the author of book The Commonwealth Cricket? Ramachandra Kuga. National Road Safety Month 2021, in which edition of the month-long program first. Thank you to all.